Welcome to Post Mundane, a thought invoking platform to battle the chaos inside you and charge your consciousness. Hey guys, welcome again to the very first episode of Post Mundane. I'm your host Ankur, and it's a beautiful sunny Monday morning. And on the bright side of the lockdown, Mondays are not as frowned upon as they once used to be. So guys, as we all are facing the adversity of COVID-19 pandemic, I hope तुम सब अपनी responsibilities समझ रहे हो and you guys are taking measures to keep your family and society safe. I also wish कि तुम सभी के work from home का, social distancing का, नई नई dishes cook करके upload करने का, drawing and painting का और TikTok videos बनाने का जज्बा यूं ही कायम रहे. Oh no, last वाला ignore कर दो. और guys, मेरी आपसे एक request है कि relax a bit. Put on your headphones, sit comfortably, have a cup of tea, give me a few minutes of your time and allow me to indulge you into a really interesting discussion. So guys, आज का टॉपिक मैं बहुत दिनों से एड्रेस करने का सोच रहा था एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी टू एड्रेस इट. काफ़ी दिनों से मेरे दोस्त, मेरे रिलेटिव्स एंड ऑल द पीपल दैट आई एम टॉकिंग टू लेटली सब यही कह रहे हैं कि दे आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लॉकडाउन, दिस कोविड पैंडेमिक. घर पर अकेले रहना पड़ता है, लाइफ इज डिस्टर्ब्ड. ऑल ऑफ देम आर साउंडिंग सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड लोग कह रहे हैं कि 2020 ह्यूमैनिटी का सबसे ख़राब साल रहा है और लोग मर रहे हैं. पीपल आर इन डिस्ट्रेस एंड ऑल दैट. Here I want to tell you all कि we are wrong in being so pessimistic कि हमें लगता है कि इससे बुरा कभी इंसानों ने झेला ही नहीं है. The truth is we have been through situations far more worse than what it is now. Just give it a thought. लोग ज़्यादा educated है, ज़्यादा literate है. Violence का trend कम हो चुका है. If you look at 100 years, 500 years back, racism, sexism, discrimination and violence against women, all of this has been the lowest in history. We have more rights than before. Half of the planet have access to internet. Extreme poverty is at all-time low worldwide. Wars are smaller and less frequent. Children are dying less. People are living longer thanks to the development in medical science. And there is more money and more wealth than before. So अभी तक तो सब अच्छा चल रहा है, but I want to put some more interesting facts into consideration. Symptoms of anxiety and depression are more than previous 80 years और young age में लोगों को ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Men and women have reported lower level of life satisfaction. Part of that is probably because stress levels have risen over past 30 years. Drug overdoses have recently hit an all-time high. The feeling of loneliness and social isolation are up and people feel more isolated, left out and alone in their lives. बहुत कम लोग बचे जो अपनी गवर्नमेंट पर, अपनी मीडिया पर और एक दूसरे पर भरोसा करते हैं. So I want to talk about a statistics of United States in 1980 जब रिसर्चर्स ने पूछा अपने पार्टिसिपेंट्स से कि कितने लोग हैं जिनसे वो अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ डिस्कस कर चुके हैं पिछले 6 महीनों में. तो the answer was probably 3 people. And by 2006, the most common answer was 0. Basically, we have forgotten that we are the safest and most prosperous humans in the entire history of the world. And yet we are feeling more hopeless than ever. So guys, today's episode is revolving around the discussion I had with one of my good friends and colleague. I know her since a couple of years and she is a really exquisite thinker. Ladies and gentlemen, Swapna Datta. Due to a tight routine and time constraints, she couldn't be a part of the live podcast, but instead, we decided to talk last night. The first thing that I asked her was if being alone can be a superpower, and this is what she had to say.
I think that, the thing that you're trying to address in your channel, that is, I think, the need of the hour of the lockdown situation. So that is a lovely topic that you have chosen there. Talking about what I feel about this whole loneliness and lockdown, it is a serious thing. It should not be ignored. Humans are social animals, right? And we have always believed in socializing, meeting people, connecting with them, and we can't really endure to be isolated for a long period of time. In fact, if that happens, it can also lead to us sinking into some sort of despair or depression because हमें अकेले नहीं रहना आता है. So कभी-कभी when I am thinking कि what do I do? Like what do I do with all this time? कभी-कभी मुझे भी वो चीज़ feel होता है. So yeah, it is a serious thing out there. See, what happens is with us कि हम लोग naturally क्या होता है, we are always seeking sense of comfort from others, some sort of validation from others. Like for us to be happy, we need to feel loved by others. We need to feel supported by others. That someone is always there behind our back. तो हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं subconsciously, maybe not intentionally, we are giving the key to our happiness in someone else's pocket and depending on them for that, which is not wrong. It's okay to find companionship and feel happy about it, but I think it is equally important to find happiness within yourself. ऐसे सिचुएशन में क्या होता है ना, when you are in constant touch with others, that your social persona comes to the fore, and जो भी तुम्हारे frightening thoughts है या emotions है, जो भी तुम्हारे डर है, वो सब those things are pushed back to your subconscious. I think that's kind of a defense mechanism of your mind. हमको तब सोचने का बहुत टाइम मिल जाता है suddenly, and then we think about, for instance, the other day we were talking about this, and you only said a few of these things, that people start digging into either their past or worrying too much about the future, or they just go back to those little tiny things that had been pushed to their subconscious, और वो उसको खोद के बाहर निकालते हैं, and they think about it, they overthink about it.
So I want to put light to the loneliness few of us are experiencing. Because we can't socialize during lockdowns, many of us are trying to socialize on internet. वैसे तो it seems to be a very easy fix, but it is a short-term solution. Because हम अपनी life compare करने लगते हैं बाकियों के साथ. As a result, we start feeling deprived. And eventually this turns into a depressing state. So this is a journey from deprivation to depression. Internet was developed as a tool for our various needs, but we ended up making people hooked up into it. Social networking sites, dating apps, explicit contents, blah blah blah. Same goes for the online gaming. Let's hear what Swapna had to say on this.
On some dating apps on and off to socialize with people and interact with people, get to know people, as in not for dating sake. तो I came across profiles, and मैंने सबके प्रोफाइल में कुछ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और अट्रैक्टिव सा देखा कि अरे कोई ये कर रहा है, कोई वो कर रहा है, कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर है एट द एज ऑफ 28, कोई किसी ने इतना ट्रैक कर रखा है एंड ऑल दैट, एंड देन आई सिट बैक एंड आई थिंक कि मैंने क्या किया, एंड आई रियली डोंट गेट एनी आंसर. सो उस टाइम मुझे लगता है कि यार मेरे को ये सब टाइम पे ना अपने ऊपर वर्क करना चाहिए. ये सब मैं जो भी बोल रही हूँ, मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस से ही बोल रही हूँ. मतलब मैं जो बता रही हूँ मैंने अपनी लाइफ में अब तक इम्प्लीमेंट तो नहीं किया है, बट या ट्राइंग फेसबुक एंड नेटफ्लिक्स एंड ऑल दैट. सो इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेक अ डिफरेंस. यू आर स्टिल कनेक्टेड विद द वर्ल्ड इन सम वे.
यही है कि पीपल फाइंड दिस एज एन इजी ऑप्शन फॉर एंगेजमेंट.
Yes.
हमारे अंदर सेल्फ एस्टीम की इतनी कमी आ गई ना कि वी started looking at each other and we were
constantly looking for validation from others.
Yeah, and we were never confident कि हम actually किसी को जाके approach करें, to sit with people, to do all those things that we do on the internet in real life.
I went to Goa last year, no?
Yeah.
So I went to this rave and उधर बहुत सारे लोग आए हुए थे, and वहाँ का तो वाइब भी कुछ और है and all that. So I actually went मतलब there was this guy sitting थोड़े दूर पे, and मैं उसको देख रही थी. मैंने अपने फ्रेंड को बोला, पता है ये मेरे किसी दोस्त की तरह दिखता है, I think it's him. So he was like, why don't you go and talk to him? I was like, are you shitting me? ऐसे ही जाके बात कर लो क्या? So he was like, yeah, do that. And I went and I spoke to him for like 10 minutes. I found out like वो क्या करता है. He was actually an organizer there and all that वगैरह वगैरह. 10 minutes or 15 minutes of conversation. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने इतना कुछ बात नहीं किया, but it felt empowering कि हाँ मैं वो चीज कर सकी. मतलब जाके I felt confident कि मैं वो I can hold a conversation even without sitting behind a screen.
Yeah, that's true.
In reality.
So yeah, we need to understand that the virtual engagement is temporary. This social distancing phase is also temporary. Many times an individual fails to get into a relationship because of this inferior complex and lack of confidence. I would say to win any relationship, you need to carry a positive outlook for your own self. Also during lockdown, some people are facing bitterness in relationships, separations, heartbreaks. If your happiness is centered around the same person, then there is a possibility that this is the reason for your suffering and sadness as well. even if you're abandoned by the people you loved. Most of the people, if not all, will abandon you once they get a better alternative. People who are with you today, no matter how close, will leave you someday. So sometimes being lonely is a better way to preserve your happiness, peace, and freedom. Develop new skills and personality instead of impressing someone. And then everybody wants to be around the people who have acquired substance and weight in their lives. Then, towards the end of it, I asked Swapna what advice she would like to give the listeners for coping up with the feeling of loneliness and restlessness.
So this is, I guess we have come to the most important part. Look at how we can, overcome this feeling. So first thing, that you need to understand the difference between loneliness and solitude. So there's a very fine line between the two. So the thing is, I'd like to tell you that all these big people in the world, the people who are building great businesses, the creative minds of the world, they have one thing in common. They spend a lot of time thinking, and you will never get the best insights of your mind if you are always surrounded by people, right? So the luxury of spending time all alone is rare, and I think that you should look at this enormous amount of time that the lockdown has offered us as a opportunity and not as something that has been imposed on you. Stop feeling negative about this time and just look at it as something that is going to open the doors towards the inward. For that, I think you should not spend your time alone going through all the hurtful memories of the past or worrying about the future and what's going to happen. And try to fall in love with yourself. Try to, learn to love your own company. See, when you are in love with someone, so you feel like spending all your time with them, right? It is the same way with oneself. They say that, if you are bored alone, then you are in a bad company. So don't become a bad company for yourself. Just love yourself and do not become a reflex of others. Look at this lockdown as an opportunity. Also, one thing I would like to emphasize, solitude is good, okay? But do not dive deep into it. Like, find a good balance, strike a good balance between solitude whilst enjoying the company of others. So that जब आप किसी के साथ हो तब भी आप खुश हो, और अगर आप अकेले भी हो तो you are not lost. So find that balance. There are a few practical things that I do and also plan to inculcate some of them in my own life to make a better use of this alone time that we have been offered. So you should start doing something that you have always wanted to do. This is the simplest, easiest one. This you must have heard a lot of times. That do something that you have always wanted to do or you love doing, but तुम्हें पहले कभी time नहीं मिला. This is very common. Second thing that I'm going to talk about is those 8 big letters. ये भी बहुत popular है, but this works. This actually works. Meditate. Okay. So I'm not a guru of meditation myself. I am trying to do it, but if it assures you anything at all, there are a few people whom I know who meditate, and trust me, I have never seen calmer people than them. Like, nothing worries them and they're always in a very composed state. Like,
I meditate as well.
Yes. So by those few people, so you were one of them. Whenever I speak to you, I feel, like you're always at ease and you're like never bothered about the chaos around you. And you tend to make the other person feel at peace as well. Meditation, it's a great thing. Third thing, again, very easy, super easy, pamper yourself. Enjoy your own company, and you can I know you are stuck in house, so you can't give yourself a spa day or go to your favorite cafe and grab that cappuccino you like, but घर पे हो तो cook something that you like to eat, or read a book. If you're a reader, read a book that you have been planning to read. Watch a movie by yourself. Hell, make a TikTok video if you like, if that makes you happy, but don't make cringe videos, please. So yeah, the fourth, this is the most important. I don't know मैंने इसको पहले क्यों नहीं रखा, but do something productive daily. I follow this. ये मेरे लिए बहुत helpful है, help करता है मुझे कि one day at a time, हर दिन कुछ भी productive करो. It can be as little as cleaning your cupboard, making your bed daily in case if you don't make your bed. It can be as little as that. But हर रोज करो. And you won't believe how it changes your view about your daily life. And trust me, you will feel motivated if you do this thing daily. That's all I got to say.
Thank you so much, Swapna, for giving us your valuable opinions and time. I hope we all implement this and make our lives better. Well, there is a piece of advice from my side as well. Plan your day in such a way that you should be investing more time in doing something which adds or gives meaning to your life. कब क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, एक एक डिटेल्स पर ध्यान दो. Make a strategy and divide your day. And सबसे ज़रूरी बात, avoid doing monotonous things. And as Swapna mentioned, meditate. You need to look beyond the usual plot of life and realize we are not dumb machines जो सिर्फ खाते हैं और सोते हैं और रोज़ सेम ज़िंदगी जीते हैं. The day we start distinguishing ourselves from non-living to living beings, I am sure we are going to make an effect. One more thing, guys, there are many people who don't even have basic for their survival. So comparatively, our life is a luxury to them. And I think we are living in an illusion of pain and misery. आप बाहर निकलोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि पेन क्या होता है और मिजरी क्या होती है. So to gain more happiness and satisfaction, you can go help them and try to uplift such people. I assure you, you will be a much happier person thereafter. So don't waste your precious energy and use it in the right place. I hope this episode makes a difference to the way we look at things. Follow Post Mundane on Spotify and stay tuned for the next episode.